What's good, YouTube? Closet Nerds, and I'm back with another video. So what I'm gonna need you guys to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the fam. Join the Nerd Nation once again. That way you can get caught up on everything I do. So, as you can see, I have a beautiful print here. It is an Infinity Gauntlet, but this one is for Kobe. You know, the late, great Kobe. As you can see, we have jersey number 8, also 24, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a Black Mamba going all around with his 5 rings. One's here that my thumb is on, and the other ones are here. Now, this one came into play. I was having a discussion with a friend of mine, and I was like, yo, who's better, MJ or Kobe? He was like, Kobe all day. So it hit me. I was like, you know what? Let me go with this gauntlet. I seen it over there at Nico's Industry. And like I say, I will leave a link below in case you guys are interested in getting it, purchasing it. If you can, I say join his membership as well. It's only $10 a month, people. That's not much at all. But this one's gonna be pretty different. I'm only gonna hit it with this first, the Krylon Fusion All-in-One Black. I'm gonna sand it down to my liking before I start anything. And quick, let me show you guys the fingers and everything. This was gonna be pretty good. But once I hit it with that spray paint, only reason why I'm doing that one because that one is acrylic, and the rest I'm just gonna be hitting with the airbrush acrylic. So stick around and stay tuned. So I just hit it with a 150 sandpaper grit. You can still see the layer lines, so that's not really a problem with me right now because that's just the first one. It's looking pretty sweet. What I'm gonna do now is hit it with a 220. I'm debating whether a 220 right now or should I just grab my palm sander with a 240. I may do the palm sander with the 240 and then work my way to a 400 and then a 6. And there's something I forgot to show you. Not only does it have the 5 rings, as you can see, and his jersey numbers. I forgot to show you this, guys, in the beginning. The 8, 24, showing you that. But inside the palm of the hand, you also have his daughter, the number 2 in Gigi. So again, this is definitely gonna be one of my best projects. So I'm gonna put a lot of time and effort into this. I just hope you guys stick with me throughout the whole thing. So after I did the pass through on the 220, I'm gonna have to use my file to get up in these little nicks and crannies. Hold on, right up in here. But for now, which I should have did it first, I'm just gonna blow that out. Blow the dust out as such. And as you can see, it kind of cleared out pretty okay. This is just me dusting it out. Just a little nicks and crannies. Okay, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, now the dust is out. I'm gonna wipe this down and we'll see how it looks from there. But I honestly think it looks good. Let's move this back so you guys can see. Never mind the box because it doesn't stand up on its own, so I just grabbed the box, kind of balled it up, and it'll stand up that way for now. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. So, I'm gonna run a 600 grit. No, not a 6, I'm sorry. 400 grit over it right now. And we will see how it turns out. Matter of fact, I think I can probably do that while I'm on there with you guys, which is focus on this part right here. So 400. We'll focus on that. That's where I'm gonna aim. I want to get those scratches out. And I do all of this before I hit it with that primer. Let's see. Still see them just a little bit, but we're gonna move up as well. We're gonna go to probably 600 after that. Yeah, I'm gonna do 600 right after this. And then and only then, we will see the finished product. Be right back. So after hours of sanding, I went from the 150, I think I got it. I went from the 150 to the 220 to the 400 to the 600 to the 800. And this is what I have right here. Oh, don't fall over. This is what I have right here. Now that looks pretty smooth to me. Now let's get to the primer. Remember I told you this one is acrylic, so it's pretty safe to use. Let me just adjust my mask and get to it. Man, that looks beautiful. So after about 4, maybe 5 coats, I believe it was 5, I went and opened the nozzle and just went crazy on it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna give this about another hour to dry. Maybe 2. Let's do 2 hours. So let it dry. And there's only one more thing to do after this. I'm just gonna have to paint the rings that you see up top. Be right back. And if you didn't hit that like button already, you better. Well, look at that. That looks nice, beautiful. I'm gonna grab my small brush to hit the little minor nicks and crannies. Nothing much, nothing major. I just hit it with a clear coat. It looks gorgeous. That's my favorite part. Salute to the girl dads out there. This is very beautiful. And I also have to hit the rings. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one's on the head. I'm gonna go with this here. What is this? Gold metallic. Fingers crossed on how this turns out with this one. But so far, this is a beautiful paint. Very beautiful. I may hit it with another coat of clear gloss, maybe 2 or 3, because I plan on wet sanding it. But this is nice. Hit that like button right now. Hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I told you too many times. I shouldn't have to tell you this many times. Let's go. Be right back. Well, let me know what you guys think. We're going to let that dry before I hit it one more time. But please let me know what you think. And just like that, we are done. You can see how the rings came out. They came out pretty good. I may use that paint again. You just never know. I may use that again for something else. But a legend, man. We lost a legend. I want to give a special shout out to Kobe and his whole entire legacy for one. And we cannot forget his baby girl, Gigi, Angel. We lost him too soon. And her as well. So salute to the Black Mama. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button.